Good morning all of you. Ashok Kumar Misra. Today going to continue with the 5th chapter of class 5th. More on PowerPoint 2016. In this chapter I have already discussed all the important topics along with objective questions of this chapter. Once repeat the chapter again. A presentation is the collection of the slides that are arranged in a sequential manner. Second, most of the view buttons are present in the presentation view group. Third, equation is the new features using which you can add math equation into your presentation. Fourth, the slide sorter view display a miniature view of all the slides of presentation. And fifth, the comment are a greater way to provide the feedback to the other about their presentation. And the photo album is a feature that allow you to club your personal and the business photographs together to use the presentation. And true false. First, there are the 7 views available in the PowerPoint 2016. False. By default, grid themes is applied to the PowerPoint windows. False. To move the next slide in the slide view, escape key used. False. Using note page view, you can include the note in the presentation that you send to the audience. True. And comment in a slide cannot be turned off. False. And using convert to shape tools, you can convert the handwritten shapes to the uniform geometric shapes. True. And MCQ. Which function key used to display the slideshow? Answer is F5. Second question. In which view do you get the outline pane? Answer is outline view. And which of the following requires a network service to start the slideshow? Answer is from beginning. And which features find the information related to the selected item on the web without forcing the user to open an internet browser? Answer is a smart lookup. And which of the following options hide all the slides next to the outline view? Collapse all. And last, on which tab do you find the screen recording options? These are the objective questions of this chapter. Thank you. Next class I will continue with the questions of this chapter from here.